cruising around like I do every day. Gotta know what vehicles are on the premises so we can custom. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What do we have here? This is such a clean truck. Saw it up at the shop the other day. Jake Royal sold it, and it's a COVERT edition. Nothing wrong with this truck at all. I love this. Iconic silver F-150 2022 platinum COVERT edition, 2-inch leveled. We got 295 60/20 ridge grappler on the stock wheel. Now, you know, I've told you in the past, I've seen this stock wheel on like a black platinum, and I didn't like it at all. This is the first time, honestly, that I've seen a 14th gen platinum wheel that I actually like. I actually like this, and it's all because of the silver. Let me know what you think about it, y'all. The black ones I've seen especially, even the carbonized gray especially, both of those with that wheel, I wasn't hitting on it. I didn't like it. I had to go to 22 like Corey did, just do something, a variation, or just go aftermarket. But I like this wheel on this setup all because of the silver. Let me give you a good side shot right here. Silver has definitely become one of my favorite colors very, very quickly, especially just keep in mind, remember 2015 when the 13th gen came out, they were doing a lot of commercials with that ruby red or at that time ingot silver. They know what looks good on these body styles, just like I do, and silver's got it going on. 2-inch level kit up front, clean and simple. Undercover trifold bed cover out back, ridge grappler tire. You know we love it. It's tried and tested and proven. It's gonna give you great mileage and a killer look with good ride quality as well. Platinum, not overdone, 2-inch leveled. Iconic silver again. Take notice of it. And just what I saw, we got a Raptor going out, a 250 Limited going out too in iconic silver. And then don't catch the King Ranch sleeping on you right there too. Little King Ranch action. So a lot going on at Akins today on the 30th of August. I can't believe it's almost September. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you tomorrow.